I repeat my thought. Lotus is the only flower that teaches us where we reach is important, not where we come from. It means lotus starts its life from a muddy water and comes out as a beautiful flower. Similarly, we should always concentrate to reach great projection. Don't bother about our present situation. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. And for more education and fun videos, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.